Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we can see how to create functional acceptance testing. In the last session, we have seen how to install the software. And now in this session, I am going to show by creating the new project. Okay. To create the project, click the create new. Here, give the name for your workspace. I had given a project demo and click the OK. So this is the Tosca dashboard. So we need to test the login page. So click the module. After that, right click the mouse and you can create the folder, and the folder will be created, and that folder you have to give the name. I am giving a login. For the login page, I have to open the Chrome. In that Chrome, search for the Swag Lab. This website is developed by the Swag Lab. The main thing is we have to give the credits for the Swag Lab because what you are seeing, that's the username and the password. You can manually enter and get login, but in this page they had already given the username and the password. This application, which is helpful for the tester, test and run the different cases, and this website is designed only for the training purpose, and this is useful. This is not the actual application. For the manual testing, I am going to copy the username and paste it in a username, and I have copied the password and I have pasted it in a password and click the login button. So it has taken me to the home page. So I need to automate whether I enter the username and the password, whether it is going to login. So this is the manually, and automatically I'm going to do by using the Tosca software. This is the web application, that's the login page, and I need to test. Now I'm going to right click on the module and click the scan. In that application, the Xscan will be starting. In that Xscan, click the Swag Lab page and then click the scan button. It's going to be a scan. The S button. After that, Tricentis automation extension for the Chrome will be open. In that, click the add to the Chrome. After add to the extension. After that, Xscan will be load. In this case, I want to check whether the username and the password is correct to login. For that, I'm going to use the username. So click on the username. Once you click the username, that will be added to the Xscan dashboard. Similarly, password and login button. So like that, we added the 3 objects to the Xscan. Here 3 objects is been added now. That we are recording these 3 objects in order to test it. I'm going to maximize that, and after that click the advanced button. You can see the properties of that objects, and then click the basic. After that, I'm going to save these objects. After that, click the finish, then close that, then go back to the Tosca. In that module login, you can see the Swag Lab small picture. You can see there the 3 objects we have added. So now module has been created by using the username, password, login button. Once you start creating these modules, now we can go for the testing. Now click on a test case. Here right click the mouse and then click the create a folder, then name that folder as a login. In order to add the test cases to this login, so now in the module drag the swag lab and drop here in the login and name it as a login page. So now we have to add the value for this username and the password and the login, so that once you add it, it automatically login. Again, I'm going to the swag lab. I'm going to copy any username you can and paste it in the value of the username, and then password, double click on that, and after that copy the password from the swag lab. After the copy, paste it on the value of the password. After that login object will be present, that is a click option, so I'm going to give the click. So this is the test cases which is to be created for the login. So now I click the login page, right click on that, you will get the run in a scratchbook. Click on the run in the scratchbook. After choosing the run in a scratchbook, and don't operate anything in a swag lab, and you can watch the Tosca software automatically choose the, it will be going to add the username, password. After that it automatically login. Here you can see it's been loading. Carefully observe that I'm not doing anything, it automatically login. In the bottom you can see the green, that means the cases are passed. So this is how the functionality acceptance testing can be done using Tosca software. This is experimental to acceptance testing. After that you can go back to the Tosca. In that a scratchbook will be open. In that you can see all the test cases is been marked in a green. That means will that three objects are correct. So like this you can automatically test instead of manually adding a password username for the many times. It will consumes your times and the effort. Instead of that you can use a Tosca software for testing. Thank you.